handbag. Oh my God. You idiot. Oh wow. Got far, didn't you, mister? Oh, you. For God's sake. Oh, idiot.
Oh man, look at this, driving around with no lights on. None at all. What a plonker.
Whoa! Yes, BMW, you just drift out like that. Why not?
It's a very tidy Mitsubishi Lancer, which nearly just drove into a wall. Just sail right through that light. I'm pretty sure that car went straight through that red light.
Hey!
Credibility. They saw the second one and then
Red light.
people start looking at the picture. Are those glue marks? Yeah.
I've been talking to you.
Lots of lovely people, much appreciated. We're sending lots of love to Kevin E. Who's in hospital at the moment. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Cabbie, good to have you on board, and many happy returns. I did spot it was your birthday last night. I saw it flash up somewhere, and I was tempted to message you, but it was about 1 in the morning, so I thought you probably wouldn't welcome. Kyle Mindley, which isn't that, but thank you. And Brian in Mansfield, is it borrow money and pay and not pay it back? Not that either. Is it letting him down? So Pat in Mansfield, take the kind of negative turn
over, just so long as you keep the radio on. The world's greatest music. This is Classic FM.
Not an everyday hazard. There's a little kid riding it as well.
Round corner. Yeah. He's building his new house. Watch what you doing.
That's good.
Ian, how was your weekend?
It was good. Spent a lot of time in the kitchen. I recorded 2 episodes of
extra napkins in one day. That was fun.
Wow, you rock.
Yeah,
Oh.
that was.
Just didn't fancy waiting in the queue of traffic, is that it?
Let's see, what did we
Marmalades.
No, what did we discuss this week? We discussed cooking shows.
We need the next. Oh my word!
Aww. Hi, dear.
His dopey went over.
Oh, it just.
That way. Don't turn. Did he get through?
Side break. I wonder whether you'd be prepared to countenance that here.
Oh, Starlet. Don't see many of them anymore.
Get off it! Phone.
Yeah, no, people had chipped the. Wow. Did you even look?
I just saw pets at home. Let's go there.
He's a long way off his patch.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
The government has launched
Lexus LS300 Slammed Edition with the extra large, slightly sideways tyres. If you like that kind of thing, there you go.
What are you doing?
Into any businesses with up to 50 employees, like mine. So, I'm going to search TFL scrappage to see if
Oh, so cheeky.
you should do the same. To the Mayor of London.
That's funny because I'm pretty sure it says bus and cycle only. Hello? Is that a new bus, is it? Yeah, it looks like a new bus to me.
What have you done to that? Nissan Cube? Why has he got monster emblem on back? It does actually look quite cool though.